So mobile filmmaking is here, and it's always been here. It's so easy just to pull out your favorite smartphone, put it on the stand or gimbal, and hit the record button, and boom, you can get great content. That's what I'm talking about. You can get great content. But the biggest issues using a smartphone is not the video, it's the audio. That's right, audio can make or break your content. I've been talking about this for a very long time. Audio is probably more important than video. Well, what you're listening to right now is the all-new Saramonic Air SE. This wireless microphone system is really good for the price. Let's talk about it. Sit back, relax, and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Zach back with another video. So what you're looking at right now is the Galaxy S25 Ultra with internal audio, and you can hear a big difference between internal audio and external audio using the Saramonics. Let me know down in the comments below. Can you hear a difference? I'm sure you can. This is a game changer. I always talk about this, right? I believe that if you're going to shoot with a smartphone, use external audio. It's going to make a big difference in your audio. I promise you that. But let's go down and connect the Saramonic Air SEs back to the Galaxy S25 Ultra so you can hear the difference again between the audio from the internal and the audio from the external. But keep in mind that in my studio, it's a treated environment. So you may say, well, it sounds good on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, but you got to remember that I am in a treated sound environment. You need to know that, right? So my room is sound treated. So yeah, let's talk more about the Saramonic. Okay, so let's talk about some of the specs. The Saramonic Air SE captures a 48 kilohertz at 24-bit. It has a signal-to-noise ratio of 80 dBs with a max SPL of 120 dBs. It has built-in limiters to make sure you're safe and don't distort your audio. That's important, right? Or you could turn on a -dB safety track that's recording a backup track, right? That is also important. Now you have 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. Now the transmitters can last up to 6 hours by itself, but when you're using the bar, right, you can get up to 28 hours of recording. That's very good, a very good session. Now the weight of these microphones is about 5 grams, so it's very light. And as you can hear, the audio sounds very good compared to the audio that you heard from the smartphone. So yeah, the audio sounds good here. But let's talk more about the Saramonic Air SEs. All right, guys, so when you buy the Saramonic Air SEs, the packaging is relatively simple. And I'm still recording on the Saramonic Air SE so you can hear this part of the video. Yes, it comes in a nice plain box. When you open up the box, you get the instruction manual. You also get the adapters, because I do have the Lightning and I do have the USB Type-C. So yes, the packaging is relatively simple and stuff like that. So one of the things that I really like about this is that it's designed to kind of hold it. If you want to do it interview style, you can kind of hold it like this, and it works great like this. Now the distance range from your smartphone to the device is about 200 meters. So you do got a relatively good range of line of sight. But yeah, look at it. I mean, it's really, really small. I mean, it's 5 grams to put, as far as, put on you. But there, yeah. So you plug this into your smartphone. Now you have a button here that you could, hit noise cancellation and stuff like that. And yeah, so you just pop this out. It already have the magnet on it. And you have a light that comes on right there. And you just press that light and you're good to go. The build quality is really, really good here. I got the Saramonic logo here, nice and sturdy. This is really good, nice and petite. You can put this in your pocket, and anytime you're ready to record, just go ahead and plug this in to your smartphone and put this on your shirt, or just hold it like this as far as interview style, and you're good to go. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and talk about the application. because the application is very powerful. One of the things that I like about it is that just say if you want to do voiceovers on the go, you have a dedicated audio button and you got video. So if you want to shoot your video and everything else in between, you could do that here from the application. So when you go to the audio here, you get your levels. You could do real-time monitoring, right? And go from there. And all you got to do is hit the button and you're good to go. Now, that's just going to be just for audio only. Yeah, I mean, look, so if you want to just do an audio file, to say if you were doing a TikTok and you just want to do a voiceover over a TikTok or Instagram, you could do that here. Connect your device to the Saramonics and you're good to go. But if you want to do video, okay, so just say again, you want to do a TikTok video and you want to have an all-in-one solution. Instead of going to your camera video, you could do it right here. Now you could set it at 720p, HD, and 4K. If your device have 4K, you could do that here. Now you could go 16:9 aspect ratio. You could do 4:3, 1:1. Again, very good for TikToks. So you can have your aspect ratio, great for that. So if you want to go 1080p, go from there. And you got your button here for the flash and a timer. Now you have some beauty modes here and you have an equalizer. Now you got your sample rate. You got a low cut filter. Now the low cut filter will come in handy if you are in a situation where you have a lot of rumble or something like that. You can take away the rumble by going maybe 75 Hertz, 150 Hertz, 300 Hertz. I don't know if I want to go that high, but at least 75 Hertz. Now you got USB audio and you got your channel. You can go audio. You could go stereo, you could go mono left, mono right, dual mono, and stuff like that. So you have a lot of options here if you want to take care of business there. Okay. And you have a one for a teleprompter, okay, which is really nice. So this say you want to have an all-in-one solution with a teleprompter. You could type up your whole script and you're good to go. Man, listen. They really thought this one out, right? That you could do a teleprompter, which you could type your whole script in. You could change the aspect ratio. You could have all kinds of different things. You go mono, you could go stereo, all that good stuff here with this application. Now, buying this type of setup, it comes with two options, right? You could get it with USB Type-C that costs you about 50 bucks, relatively cheap. Or you could get it with USB Type-C and Lightning. That's going to cost you about $70. I will leave all product links down in the description below. This wireless microphone system sounds really good for the price. 50 bucks. Man, yes, it will work with older iPhones. You can get the $70 one, right? It will work. Think about this. It's easy and simple. Just plug and play, open up your favorite app, and you are good to go. In 2026, there's no reason to have bad audio. I've been preaching that for a very long time on this YouTube channel, and you don't have to break the bank to achieve great audio. That's what I'm talking about. Overall, I'm impressed at how these sound. I'm impressed at the mobile solution that you can connect this and it's plug and play. I'm impressed overall at the Saramonic Air SEs. It's easy, plain, simple. That's it, right? If you want great audio, clip it to your shirt, put it to your smartphone, hit the button, and you're good to go. Now, you can open up the application and you can record like voiceovers, and you can set equalizers. You could do all kinds of different safety tracks and everything else in between. So yeah, I really do like these. All right, I will leave all product links down in the description below. This is the Tech Preacher. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Saramonic Air SEs in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.